A lot of traders, including me, have actually lost so much money in this trading market, not because we don't know how to trade, but basically because we chose the wrong brokers. And that's why in this video, I want to introduce you to a broker that will actually assure you that what you are here to make money from the market and not here to actually throw money away. Because when it comes to trading, the brokerage company you trade with is very important as a trader. With the wrong broker, you'll be discouraged. You will get to believe so many myths about the market, that the forex market is a scam, so forth and so on. So if you're a trader out there who is willing to become a good trader, become a successful trader without being held back by any of these negative things that are going on in the trading market, then I want you to watch this video to the very end. So guys, now we are on my screen. Let me take you straight and I share with you how you can actually sign up for this broker, which is known as LiteFinance. That I said is my favorite broker, and I'll say one of the best in the market because they are just exceptional. So in order to sign up, all you need to do is simply look at the first comment in this video right now. You are going to check the pinned comment, which is where I actually pinned the link to this particular broker. Here you can see the link myself. Now all you need to do is simply just click on this link. Now it takes you straight onto their website. Now the best thing about them is that they support every single trading platform you are thinking of out there. Here's basically every single thing you need to know about them. They have some of the best trading platforms, which is MT4 and 5, LiteFinance platform, C-Trader. They have over 600 assets for you to trade, from crypto to forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and so on. And they have leverage up to 1:1000, which is very high as well. And then spread is from 0.0, and I have tested a zero spread in some of their pairs. So know that it's not in every single pair, it's in some of them. And then their trade execution 0.1 sec is even low. I've even experienced faster trade execution because I personally use them myself. Even when I'm live on YouTube or on TikTok or any other platform, this is where I trade it. And their processing model, which is ECN plus STP, no doubt when it comes over there. And to top it all up, your deposit and withdrawal process have zero stress. Like basically it takes them less than 5 minutes to credit you when you're making a withdrawal or a deposit. It takes less than 5 minutes. I've experienced it. Like if you're on my Telegram community, you know that what I make withdrawals from here almost every single week. Now in order to sign up, the first thing you need to do is simply click on it says registration. Now once you click on it, it should open a new page for you where you can actually sign up. Now over here, it automatically picks your country. So presently I'm in Ghana. That's why you see that Ghana has been selected, and I'll leave it like that. Now you can come over here and see all the countries they support. Like they support most of the highlands, so obviously your country is likely to be among it. You see, if they can support all of this highland, then there's definitely your country in it as well. So you can just come over here and then type in your country. Next up is simply your date of birth. You need to set your actual date of birth. Now I'm not going to use my actual date of birth because I already have an account, so I'm just going to use of someone I already know. Day 24th, month December, and then the year 2003. Now I'm just going to click on continue. Now email address. Now you need to paste in your email address, and then I'm just going to have it in it. That's my email address. The password, you set your unique password. Now this is not an account I'm definitely going to use, so I'll just let the AI bot generate password itself. Now next up is simply you need to accept their terms and conditions, which every single broker will ask you to do. So you basically have to click read it. If you agree with it, then you accept it. Now from there, you basically click on continue. Now after here, they are going to send you an email verification. I'll just come over to my email. And the LiteFinance, you see, it doesn't take time. Here is a verification code. I'll just copy it. Come over here, and then basically paste it in. So hello guys. Now once you sign up your account, you are going to see this notification which says continue registration. Now for those of you who do it on mobile phone, you might not see it, but for those who are doing it on desktop, you're actually going to see it. So those of you who are doing it on mobile phone, in case you don't see it, it's definitely going to be in your profile section. So basically I'm going to show you all of that. Now the next thing you need to do is simply click on it says continue registration. Now over here you need to enter your telephone number. So I've actually used my official number to create an account, so let me use my spare number. I just hope the code comes in because that line hardly has network around where I'm living. And then 4808. Now basically you enter a telephone number, then you hit on continue. Now they are going to send a verification number to your phone number as well, so you just have to wait for that particular verification number. Okay, I just received mine right now. Okay, 729853. Now I click on it. Now I have to continue this as well. This just to verify that what you are human. Now the next thing, simply you need to insert your full name. Now the reason why they're asking for all this personal information is because they need to know who exactly you are so that they won't have any problem with your account. So full name, I'm just going to use I'm not going to do identity verification. I'm just going to show you how it's done. So let me just use a different name. Then nickname. Now nationality. Now if you are from, maybe you are from Nigeria and you live in Ghana like me, you just have to, if you have your verification, maybe your driver's license, your ID card, whatever identification material you have that is linked with Nigeria, then you basically have to select Nigeria as your country, and your place of birth also should be the same. In my own case, I'll just leave that like this and continue. Okay, they say this nickname is taken, and let me just add numbers to it. Now in your own situation, please use a very valid nickname, something that you could remember. So in case you have any issue with your account, you can actually use it to recover it. Now, in order to complete your KYC verification, you need to enter your address, the city you live in, your region, and then your post code. Now you need to enter all of this information. In my own case, I'm just going to skip it right now because I already have a verified account, so I'm not verifying this one. Now once you have all of this done and set off, now basically you are going to start off with a demo account. By default, if it's not activated, you come over here and you can switch over to, here will be a real account if you didn't have a demo. Now next up is basically copy trading. Now maybe you are a trader, you don't have real experience yet, you want to copy other profitable traders, you basically come over to that copy trading feature. Now over here you get to see the most, now on the front page here they'll show you the most profitable set of traders. Now you see the kind here, trading capital, this guy is actually managing over $5 million in trade capital, and then 385 traders are copying him, and then he's risking 2%. This is a good trader, sign number 1. Now take a look at Phoenix Finance. Now basically here they show you all of these profitable traders, and then if you want more, you can come over to SS Popular. You are going to see more. You can come over here and then filter them as well based on whatever figure that you want to consider. And then you can come over here to select them by region as well. Now if you want to filter it by their leverage level, maybe you can just come over here. You don't need anyone who risks above 5%. You just adjust it to 5%. And when you're adjusting it, you see the line is changing. If it's 1%, it shows green. 4%, it's no more too green again. Lemon. Then 6%. And then once you get to 10%, it shows that what you are the high riskers. Now number of copying traders, you can also select it by the choice you want. You see period of trading. You can also come over profitability. You can come over here to adjust the percentage and every single thing. After that, hit on apply. Now then they get to filter the traders that actually fit your personality. Now you can basically click on any of their profile like this. Now let me click on this guy's profile. Now you can come over here. You can see the minimum to copy this guy is just $5. You can see with just $5 you can actually start copying this person's trade. He's from Vietnam, 57 number of trades, 256 days in ranking, and the personal asset, his personal account is $6,900, and then the copying trader's asset is $4.3 million. You see. Now I come back to his portfolio. You can come and see his trade record, every single thing here. His trading history. I come over here and see his own trading history as well. And then I come over to profitability chart. Now this way you can also copy. Now if you want to copy this trader as well, you enter the amount you want to use to copy it, and then you enter whatever figure, so forth and so on. Now you can see personally for me, I can copy him because I've not activated my demo. There's nothing in it. Now next up is basically finance. Now let me take you through here. Now basically here is where you deposit. If you are using it, let me switch over to a real account and I'll show you how you can actually make deposit. Now you see, let me just log in again. So I have to continue my address. You see, without doing this verification, they won't even allow you to make a deposit unless you want to deposit into a demo account. So guys, this is basically how you sign up for one of the best brokers. Now once you are done signing up, next up is basically you can go do your identity verification and other stuffs related. Now if you're having any problem and you are a bit confused whilst you are using the platform, you can just come over here and then decide to chat to their support. They are 24/7 active. Now if it's regarding to LiteFinance and you sign up, you're having any difficulty, you can basically drop the comment down in our Telegram community. The link will be down in this video description as well. So guys, this is one of the best brokers that you can actually use out there, and I'm dropping the link in this video description. So our advice is to use it so that you know that what your money is in safe hands. So guys, see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.